Hello everyone, it's Write and Code with you on your screen. Are you struggling to get your articles seen or read online? Or perhaps you're planning on writing a new content soon, but want to make sure you're doing it correctly? Well, you're not alone. I have reviewed and written hundreds of articles. Even mine have been reviewed. But don't tell anybody. Let's just be between the both of us. So today, we'll dive into 5 common SEO mistakes beginner technical writers make and how to avoid them. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1: titles. Ambiguous or generic titles. Your title is the first thing readers and search engines see. Select Google search engine and in your search bar, type in how to build a to-do app with Strapi. The first thing you see is the title. People who search for contents online have a specific intent. Imagine you write a content that is meant to answer a specific question, but your title is not informational. Or it could be a content for a specific page or site, but your title is not a navigational one. It could be a content for a brand or service, but it is not commercial enough. Or it could be that you wrote a content that was meant to make a particular user complete an action, but your title is not transactional enough. Here are some tips on how to make your title great. Number 1, write clear, specific, and engaging titles. Use keywords in your titles, especially at the beginning. Ensure it is SEO friendly. Now, say I visit a headline or title analyzation tool and I type in image optimization techniques and click analyze. But first, I have to select blog post and click analyze. I end up with a poor result of 68. But let's say I make it more engaging and specific to Next.js developers by typing boost your website with Next.js image optimization techniques. This will be more concise, specific, and keyword related. I get 85. Mistake number 2: images. Neglecting images and visuals. A picture says 1,000 words. I mean, they also show up on search results, but many writers, they fail to optimize them. Images are a crucial part of making your content engaging and easy to understand. Here are some ways to solve the issues or the mistake associated with images. Number 1, make sure your image file names use the keywords you intend for your content. For instance, rename screenshot.png to perhaps image optimization in Next.js. That way, your image is SEO friendly and searchable. Best you add alternative text to your images. Another option is to compress your image files if they are too large, so that it won't affect the performance and user experience of your content. Also, it is advisable to be careful of the width and height of your images. Sometimes you might want to upload big images that will cover up the whole sections and white spaces in your content. That is a mistake. So avoid it. Use 16:9 aspect ratio. It is more SEO friendly and more user friendly. Although I said a picture says 1,000 words, that does not mean you should represent your code as images. I have seen people who do that. That is wrong. I will understand if you want to share it on your socials like Twitter, LinkedIn, or perhaps anywhere, but not in your content. This is because your readers want to be able to copy this code and test on their local machine. Mistake number 3: linking. Poor internal and external linking. Many people, when they want to write, they focus just on their article and neglect other relevant pages in their website or their content and external resources as well. Take a good look at Wikipedia. When you search for content Lionel Messi, you get to see both internal links and external links. Internal links will help your audience connect to different related contents. They will be happy if they can easily find what they need. Thus, this increases the user experience of your content. It also increases the authority of your content and easy web crawling by search engines and so on. And as for external links, it will make search engines consider your content as relevant, credible, and your content as reputable. Here are ways to avoid these mistakes. Always add relevant internal links to your content. Add external links that are very reputable. Imagine you're writing an article related to Next.js. You know, Next.js, they have their own website, and I'm very sure you know that the traffic is high. They also have a documentation page as well. It would be wise if you add these links to your content. Mistake number 4, structure. Poorly structured content. Properly structured content help your readers easily find what they need. It provides a logical flow for your content. With properly structured content, your audience or readers or users can revisit your content to pick up from wherever they stopped. Here are ways to improve your content structure. Number 1, write an outline before you write. Ensure it is logical. As an example, introduce what you want to write about, talk about the problem, present solutions, give examples, and finally, provide a conclusion. Lastly, use proper headings. Provide headings, a first level heading, second level, third level, and make sure they are clear enough. Mistake number 5, you don't share your content. You have written an engaging, exciting, brilliant article, but you don't share them, or perhaps you only share them on one of your socials. Well, I would recommend you share these across your socials. For instance, you could share it on Medium, you could share it on dev.to, you could even share it on daily.dev or different social platforms. And the only worry is that Google might flag it as a duplicate content. But do not worry. Some of these platforms like medium.com and dev.to, they provide you the ability to add a canonical URL. With a canonical URL, you tell search engines that your own content, which is the origin, should be indexed or prioritized before any of these ones shared. So this means that your article will still be the most relevant one, but this time you are making it accessible to many readers. In our last video, we introduced what the channel is all about. In the next video, we will look at the 12 rules of technical writing. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications as well. And then we want to thank our new subscribers and the likes and the engagements we've gotten so far. We really love you. Thank you so much. Bye for now.